Hello everybody, today we'll be making chicken corn soup with just 3 ingredients. It's very easy, it's more of a semi homemade dish. We need store bought 1 carton of chicken broth, 1 can of sweet corn cream style. This is very important, not whole ones, cream style. If you cannot find the cream style, buy the whole canned ones. Put it in a blender and pulse it a couple of times until it becomes creamy, and 2 eggs. Let's begin by turning on the pot. And pour the chicken broth. I got the low sodium kind because I want to control the salt that I'm going to take in. So preferably get this type of low sodium broth. Bring that to a boil. I'm opening the can. So this is how it looks. Mix it really well and bring it to a boil. So I'm going to mix a teaspoon of cornstarch in water. This is a thickening agent. If you want your soup to look like hotel soup, just add a heaping teaspoon of cornstarch to a cup. Add a little bit of water. Make this slurry and keep it ready. Let's keep this aside. Let's whisk in 2 eggs. Wash my hands. Every time you handle poultry or egg, make sure you wash your hands. Just whisk in. We'll be adding this to the soup at the end. You see the ribbons that's there usually in the corn soup? It's nothing but eggs. The soup is really hot now. It just started simmering. At this point, I will add my cornstarch slurry and mix it. Allow it to cook for like a minute. You will see the soup come together. I'm not sure if you're able to see. It's thickening. See? If you want it really thick, you can add a lot of cornstarch, but I think 1 heaping tablespoon is good enough. Allow it to come to a boil. See, are you able to see? It's thickening. Simmer the flame. And let's add the egg now. break it down. If you do that, that's when you'll get the stringy consistency. So I'm going to turn off the stove and show you how it looks. It just looks exactly like your store-bought soup, sweet corn soup. For vegetarians, use vegetable broth and the corn starch and corn. You can also add some vegetables. Skip the egg if you don't want to eat eggs, and there you go. Fantastic soup is ready. Let me add some pepper. This is low sodium soup. I need to add a little bit of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Freshly ground black pepper, and the soup is ready. Try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Thank you for watching. Share my video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As always, happy cooking. Thank you for watching.